Today we're showing you a 2016 Kubota M7060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has just over 600 hours on it. Obviously the open operator station has a Kubota LA 1154 quick attach front loader, 71 horsepower, and again is just over 600 hours on it. Very clean tractor, starts, runs, and works as it should with no known issues. Tires are good on the tractor. Does have the cast rear wheels. Canopy top, a little bit of paint damage here on the back fender, but pretty minor. Rear remote, 540 PTO. Overall, very clean tractor. It does have the four-wheel drive here to the left of the seat. All your other controls are to the right. You've got your high-low range on the shorter lever here, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4 and the larger lever. Loader control up top here. 3-point hydraulic and PTO also all the way to the right. Hydraulic shuttle allows you to change direction without clutching. It's a nice clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors, please feel free to visit us on the web or give us a call.